Welcome back to Adam's DIY universe, and spring has sprung here in Wellington, New Zealand, and I've got my Pohutukawa pods out of the paper bag from the nice warm spot I'd been leaving them in. And what I'm going to do now is I've got the pods here. If you see, I just pull those apart and all these little seeds come out of the pod. So I'm going to do that with the rest of these pods, and then I'm going to plant them. I've broken up only a small number of pods. Each pod has hundreds if not thousands of seeds, so you can see here that it's very, very fine. They're even getting blown around by the wind there, so I don't need to do any more really. I've only got a small number of trays, so I'm going to set up my seeds in the seedling trays now. I've got my recycled egg containers here, which I've put some potting mix into, and I've dampened it a little bit. And then I've got my seeds here. Just going to grab some of these and just sprinkle them like that around. And then here I've got some very fine dry soil, which I'm gonna then just lightly place over the top. Now I've planted the seeds and set up little seedling trays. I found a nice sunny sheltered spot for the seedlings to hopefully grow. If you found this video helpful, please press like and subscribe to follow along for more tips and tricks around the house, garage and garden. Thanks for watching.